Town hall. It'll be in all of the states that are part of Super Tuesday. You can watch it on the Hallmark Channel. You can go to my website, HillaryClinton.com. Start sending your questions in now. I will answer as many as I possibly can because I want you to know where I stand. I want you to understand what I believe. I want you to feel confident that I will roll up my sleeves every day in the White House and go to work on solving the problems of our country and all of the obstacles that people face in their daily lives. So let me ask you this. Are you ready for change? Yeah! Are you ready for new green-collar jobs in America? Yeah! Are you ready for a tax system that is fair to middle class and working families? Yeah! Are you ready for the kind of education system that will work for everybody because it will be a partnership between our educators and our president again? Yeah! Are you ready for college to be affordable? Healthcare to be universal. Yeah! Well, if you are, please come out and vote for me on Tuesday, on February 5th. Let's make